Hi, welcome to CJY Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. And when I get a box, I get so happy because there's always something special in the box. So, and if you've been to my channel before, you already know I get to use my knife on the box. That's how excited I get. Let's see what's inside. And people send me stuff and I don't know, and with the virus going on, I let my boxes sit for 24 hours in case you don't know, because the virus can still be on the box. So, let's see. Ooh, I know what this is. I don't need this. Okay, this, we're going to do an up close of this. I just want to do an unboxing right now. This is a rechargeable submersible LED light. Now let me see you say that 5 times. It comes with a USB cord, of course the instructions, and a remote. Now this I'm gonna do it up close because I want you to see the details of this light. It's nice, thick. In the back here is a magnet. It also comes with these, and these slide to go on here to stick them, water fountain or whatever, to keep it on the ground on the bottom. I do like that 2 extra pair comes. To turn this on, you unscrew this. At the bottom, it's an on and off switch, so you want to put that on. Right here is also where you charge your light. This part is the magnet. So once you charge it, you turn it on, and you want this rubber that's here, and this rubber that's here, to make sure that it is sealed when you screw this on. That's very important, is to make sure that match. Other than that, you're going to damage the light with the water. You tighten it very well. This is the remote, and this is the on, off. You can do a half an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and then you have your light functions from purple to blue, yellow, and you also have special effects, I call it. You can have strobe, sparkle, strobing. They got crossfire. Okay, this is RF wireless, so be careful using this around your other RF wireless, because it may end up controlling that as well. So now what we're going to do is immerse this in water and let you see how nice it really looks. If you got a pool, you can put this in and would light the pool underwater, make it romantic. But you also can use it outside as like a regular light. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and stuff.